As far as the sales tax, I'm supportive for that discussion and that debate to occur. But I do believe that before any action is taken from a voting standpoint, that the village board and specifically the village staff and the CEO need to be able to be looked at and make sure that we're challenging all expenses, all processes, all operations, and that we're squeezing out every ounce of efficiency out of our operations. We also need to look at what services we've been offering and ask the residents if they still value them or if they'd like other services. That's what we need to do first. Secondly, in terms of the sales tax discussion, there have been a number of my opponents who have spoken out as being supportive and felt that we actually had a missed opportunity by not having it on the ballot this time around for the election. I actually think that's a mistake to be hurrying the discussion of putting something on a ballot even before we've talked about squeezing out efficiencies first, and secondly, without having the debate and having the informed discussion, and also by informing the residents and the taxpayers why a sales tax increase would be needed. Now, I'll be honest and upfront and will say that our hope is that if there was a sales tax increase, and did get some support, that the majority of the revenue gained by the increase in the sales tax would come from out-of-town residents. If that were the case, I think that's a great opportunity because it's an opportunity to bring in additional revenue without actually passing on any type of tax to the residents themselves. But again, we don't know that. We don't know if we increase our sales tax, what percentage would actually be borne by the residents versus the percentage of that would be from out-of-town people. So once we knew that, and if we knew that the vast majority would be borne by people outside of the Village River Forest, then that'd be something I would be supportive of.